We know that the processes didn't go well when TotalEnergies went to court. We want them to reverse and start the process over because Fisher's voices was not included into the decision making, and we demand that the Fisher's voices is included, is not excluded, because they are living next to the ocean, they are living from the ocean, and the ocean is part of their livelihoods, and that's why they should be included into the decision making processes that are happening according to for the oceans.
Justice! 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 When I said climate, you said action, climate! Action! Communities! Not oil! People! Not oil! Heritage! Not oil! Ocean!
So there's going to be heavy impacts on the ecosystems of the ocean. In other words, the fishermen are hunting different species of snook around the west coast, so that is in direct threat when there's oil and gas activities or other oil and gas activities in the ocean. So we trust that the government and the industry will come and consult with those people that is dependent on the ocean, because ecosystems can be destroyed and oil spills can happen, and that will mean destroying their ecosystems.
People! Power to the people! Power to the people!
Yeah, we are today here in front of the High Court to show our solidarity as fishing communities from South Africa. The reason why we are actually here is that we didn't want any oil and gas exploration in our ocean, because we can see already the footprints that the oil and gas companies leave behind in different countries for the fishing communities, and already the fishing communities are suffering. In Nigeria we can see, in Mexico we can see that oil spill.
Hey!